Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on Square. So this is helpful if you want an easier way to send invoices to customers without making them manually. So to start, go to squareup.com and sign into your Square account. If you do not have one yet, create an account using your email, password, and basic business details. So once you're on the Square dashboard, click payments from the left menu, then choose invoices. After that, click create invoice to begin. Now, add your customer. You can select an existing customer or create a new one by adding their name and address. Then enter the invoice title, choose the service or product date, and add a short message if needed. Next, add the item or service being charged. Enter the name, price, and details. You can also add taxes, service charges, discounts, or late fees if they apply. After that, set when the invoice will be sent and when the payment is due. You can also choose the payment methods you want to accept, such as card payments, bank transfers, Cash App Pay, or gift cards if available. And before sending everything up, review all the details to make sure everything is correct. And when you are ready, click send or save it as a draft if you want to finish it later. And that is how you can create an invoice on Square. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.